Yo, what's up, people? Another day, and it's a blessing. About to cook some veal ribs. Yeah. By the way, I know you can see that Old Faithful there behind me. You know, the old smoker. Put some logs on it and smoke these ribs for a little bit. See how they turn out. Well, I know they're gonna be delicious, so we'll see. Stick with me. Oh, and another thing. This is why I always do voiceovers. There's always something going on in my house. I don't want to get copyrighted for the music that's getting played. My 3-year-old. You see what I'm saying? That's why I just do voiceovers. Because there's always, chitter chatter in the background. Y'all let me know in the comments whether or not that bothers y'all or not. I mean, I'ma still do what I do. Peace. Somebody complained about it possibly ending up being too hot. So what I thought I would do is add some old, Food Line brand lemon juice to it, just a little bit. Makes me shine just a little bit. Just a little bit. Push it around a little bit. Just a little bit. Can we spend some time? All right. Fire going, get my smoke box going. And then another thing that I do, I like to have the smoke coming from the wood, but I also like, to have like a hot side in the grill. So when I cook, I'm cooking in the middle. You know what I mean? I like that. And look at that. How pretty those looks. Oh, and I did some pineapples. You see, they fell through the cracks there. But yeah. Veal ribs. Sight to behold. Man, that's awesome. That's gonna be good right there. You see, I'm keeping the fire going. sir. Trying to get all that smoke in there. 2 hours later, no, I'm lying. About three and a half, 4 hours later, it's all done. Everything has been smoked out. The macaroni is done. Everything's looking good. Matter of fact, let me show y'all a little quick view of that. All right, there we go. Yeah, them ribs. You heard on GCA. Macaroni and cheese. You didn't know it was gonna turn out like that, did you? You didn't know it was gonna turn out like that, did you? But I told you. Green beans from a can. Let's move on.